They know the law, they know how to report, and will be responsible for what they are reporting. No way to close or to block any media house that is coming or any other interested citizen. So this must be clear. Number two, we are going to put up the session so that we are able to look into the application raised by the defense. Yes.
We have another reply to the defense lawyer on concerning the private advocate appeared with the public prosecutions. So it is ready, and we submit it to you.
What is this?
This is the objection from the defense yesterday. They object that some private lawyers are considered as part of the prosecution team.
So it is not within their application that they submitted yesterday?
No, they raised this yesterday separately.
What we're presuming is that whatever they objected for is within the written reply, the application that they yesterday, and we gave them the right to reply, and then we give you the right to reply and also the right to comment, and this is the procedure. I don't think there is any other response from your side. Thank you.
We did not submit it. It is here.
Yes?
It is here.
No, procedurally it's not. So keep it with you.
All right.
Thank you. The session tomorrow at the same time. Thank you.
On this live broadcast of the second session of the prosecutions of the Splm political and military elites which is taking place at Freedom Hall. Basically what happened today is that the court began very well whereby the jury, the panel of judges who are presiding over this case, they have to go through a very unique session which is introducing all the parties to this issue, whereby the prosecution team were being able to make some bit of introduction, and then the defense team as well made the introduction. But then what is unique also today is that the session also began whereby the 8 accused, led by Honorable Potkan, the suspended Minister of Petroleum, was able to actually get detailed report. Today, the reports and status of the accused were got in full, starting from their names downward to their status of work and marital status, among others. So this court has moved a little bit with some bit of achievement today and shows some bit of progress, since the accused were able and the presiding over judge was able to get the detailed report of those accused, showing that the commencement or the process is going on the right track. Secondly, what also happened during the proceeding is that the complainant or the defense team was given a comprehensive, detailed response based on yesterday what they asked from the prosecution team. The prosecution team, of course, yesterday were tasked to respond to some of the claims that were given by the defense team, citing some point that based on the agreement and based on the transitional constitution of the Republic of South Sudan, saying that the court is not competent, so on and so forth. So today, finally, the defense team were being served with number of pages responding to their claim. Hence, the jury or the presiding over judge, as well as the defense team, they will go through the response which is issued or which is given to them on a hard copy. They will be reading through the response from the prosecution team to defense team, as well as the presiding over judge. They will go through all this. This will allow them now to start next session, which is going to an agreement whether the point made by the prosecution team is actually vital and very convincing to both the defense and the presiding over judges to ensure that the case has, or the case on this special court has to continue or has to go on smoothly. Of course, viewers, this case is being headed by 3 competent judges of the country, starting with Justice Dr. James Alaladeng, who is the presiding over judge, and supported by Justice Stephen Simon, as well as Justice Isaac Pur Majok. These are the 3 judges whom the legal and the judicial system of the country handed over to them that they should handle this case, and this case has to go up to the end, which is to ensure either the accused are proven to be guilty or they are proven to be innocent at the end of this. So we have seen that some of the presentation made previously by the defense team, after they receive the response, they will actually go through it as the court is being put up for tomorrow, same time at 9. And both the complainant or both the defense team as well as the prosecution team, they will convene once again in the presence of the jury or in presence of the presiding over judges so that they can go through the next move. And what is here up to now, viewers, the process of the legal or the process of the trial of Dr. Riek Machar, as well as the Splm, 7 other political persons who are accused, including Potkang, including Lieutenant General Gabriel Doplam, including Mampal, including Garwich Lampoch, including Brigadier General Camilo Gatmai, including Madin Riek Yak and Dominic Gatkoth. Up to now, the defense team are still trying to struggle on how to make sure that they get convinced. After when they get convinced, the jury now will open a new chapter of whereby the proceeding will continue to ensure that the court takes charge of this trial. And we can remember that, viewers, some of these charges filed against the 8 accused, some of these charges which were read previously by the Minister of Justice, some of the charges including her mother and conspiracy, we have financing terrorism, and we have destruction of public property, crime against humanity, and then treason, among others. So up to this level, we have not yet opened up that chapter of hearing those charges. It is up to when both the defense and the prosecution team plus the jury now accepted the legality or accepted the fact that this special court is competent to carry on this special case or this case at hand, then from there we could be able to hear some of these charges, which will be read by the prosecution team in presence of the defense team, as well as the accused plus the jury. Now will be hearing what is the next move of the real response. So from here, viewers, as we said from the beginning, that today there's some bit of a straight, achievement whereby the presiding over judge, Justice James Alala, managed to get detailed report of the accused, full report of the accused from their name downward, and then he also managed to allow the defense team to hand over the written response based on some of the preliminary rejection or objection that were raised yesterday by the defense team. So from tomorrow, we'll be hearing what the jury or the presiding over judge will decide after they have gone through the written response from the prosecution team towards the defense team, to ensure that the court get that legality based on the Constitution and based on the revitalized peace agreement on resolution of conflict in the Republic of South Sudan. And of course, viewers, we will always continue to update you on this special court proceeding to ensure that everyone is served. And the motto of South Sudan, or the Republic of South Sudan, is justice, liberty, and prosperity. This motto reflects the foundational principles upon which South Sudan is built, emphasizing and pursuit of just society and protection of individual freedom and overall well-being and success of this country. And this is what is most important. And as we keep on updating you, please follow and watch SSBC. From tomorrow, the same time, we'll be able to relay to you this very special edition. With that, we say thank you, and thanks to those who were on the ground, our engineers who made this thing possible, as well as all the reporters who were able to give us some bit of update on what transpired today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Till next time, tomorrow early, same time, same news, and same station. Stay tuned to SSBC. Bye for now.
Nature provides us with everything. Clean air, we get it from nature. Water, we get it from nature. Medicine, we get it from nature. If we destroy it, then it will harm us.